doing a how-to on putting on your snow chains. Getting them all lined out, getting all the twists out of them. Getting them lined up behind the tire. And you want these cams on the outside. You'll use those to tighten them up. Pause it yet? We're gonna start hooking them on. Should have maybe backed up a little farther. Notice on these back sides there's these little hooks. We'll just hook these up to the other side. Yeah, but I need the inside. I don't need that side. Inside's here. There you go. Here's what it looks like on these chains latched up on the front. It's tight.
Do you want to use the...
In the future, I'm going to get some clips for this. Right now, I've just been wiring it. Wiring it up so it doesn't slam on his rims the whole time we're driving. Yeah. It's just help hold it together. You want to make sure these things are pointing out so you don't stab them into your wheel. You don't want to do that at all. If you'd like to have better content on your feed, please subscribe, and you can also comment or like below.